Hey everyone, Dr. Chad Jane Spinal Care. Check out these two case studies of resolution of atrial fibrillation, irregular heartbeat in the atrium chamber of the heart. The one person, 64 years old, but look at what happened. Basically, under specific chiropractic care, the person's neck was adjusted, corrected. That communication from the brain, especially the brainstem where most of the control of the heart comes from, was corrected. There was a dysfunction in this nervous system, and as a result, there was resolution of this irregular heartbeat. So if you know someone that's suffering from atrial fibrillation or this irregular heartbeat of any kind, get them over to a specific upper cervical chiropractor and let us get them the help that they need. Dr. Chad Jane Spinal Care.